Hi everyone, and welcome to the Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. Most people look at health insurance as something you use only when you get admitted to a hospital. You fall sick, you're admitted, the bills gets covered, and that's it. But the reality is very different. Your health insurance is not just an emergency fund. It's a complete package with benefits that can make your life easier, healthier, and financially secure if you know how to use it. In today's video, I'll tell you how to use your health insurance plan effectively and why I believe most of us don't explore the full value of what we are already paying for. Let's begin with health checkups. Most policies give you free or discounted annual health checkups. It's one of the simplest yet most powerful benefits that often goes unused. Think about it. You're already paying the premium, so why not take advantage of a checkup that can catch health issues early and give you peace of mind? Now, let's talk about hospitalization. It's not just the days you spend in a hospital bed. Your policy also covers pre- and post-hospitalization expenses like consultations, tests, and medicines before and after admission. Don't ignore these smaller bills because together they can save you a big chunk of money. Wellness is another area where insurers are innovating. Some plans reward you with wellness points for walking, tracking your steps, or doing regular health activities. You can then use these points for discounts on renewal. On top of that, there are policies that even offer gym memberships or lifestyle benefits. This is insurance going beyond treatment. It's helping you live healthier every day. Cumulative bonus is another hidden gem. If you don't make a claim in a year, your sum insured can actually increase without you paying more. Over a few years, this builds up a much stronger financial cover for you and your family. Your policy also covers more than you think. Many plans now include Ayush treatments, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy. At the same time, advanced modern treatments like robotic surgeries or targeted therapies are also part of coverage. Whether you prefer traditional or cutting-edge care, chances are your policy has something for you. Let's also talk about non-consumables. Things like gloves, syringes, and disposables might sound minor, but they add up in a hospital bill. Today, comprehensive policies cover these two, making sure you're not caught by surprise. Now, here are some additional points that really help in using your insurance more efficiently. Always prefer hospitals within your insurer's network. That's where cashless treatment is smoothest with less paperwork and faster approvals. Be aware of co-payments and room rent limits in your plan. If you choose a room above your eligibility, your entire bill can get proportionately reduced. Knowing this in advance avoids unnecessary out-of-pocket costs. Keep your documents organized, prescriptions, reports, discharge summaries, and bills. If you ever go for reimbursement instead of cashless, this paperwork will make the process quicker and stress-free. And what if your cashless claim is denied at the hospital? Don't panic. That doesn't mean your claim is lost. You can still go for reimbursement. Yes, it takes a little more time, but if the treatment is covered under your policy, you will get your claim settled. Cashless is convenient, but reimbursement is always a strong backup. If you are on a family floater policy, be strategic. Since one sum insured covers everyone, try to use it wisely. Pay for smaller expenses yourself if you can, so you can preserve the insurance for bigger medical events. Don't miss out on value-added services. Many policies include free teleconsultations, second medical opinions, diet advice, or wellness programs. These are built-in features that people often forget to use. And finally, review your policy regularly. Health needs change as we grow older or as our lifestyle changes. At renewal, check if you need to upgrade coverage, add riders, or explore new features. Staying updated ensures you're never underinsured. So, here's the bottom line. Health insurance is not just about emergencies or hospitalization. It's an investment in your health, and lifestyle. From preventive care to advanced treatments, from wellness benefits to financial security, your policy is designed to support you far more than you realize. Explore it, use it, and make it work efficiently for you and your family. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. I'll see you soon with another interesting topic.